Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a certain platform called Airtasker, and we'll take a look at what it does and basically how you can join and participate and who actually uses it. Now, this platform is similar to another one called Gigwork, right? Here you'll be doing small tasks. What are these? These might include things such as maybe furniture assembly, gardening, painting, delivering items, even a general hand. Right, so these are small tasks that you do for people and then you get paid for it. So it kind of like connects people that need help with people that can provide that help. So this is not entirely an online platform, right? If you want to work and maybe earn money on Airtasker, you have to do mostly his physical jobs and stuff. So that's what Airtasker is all about. So which means that it is mostly restricted to specific areas and countries. So it's not available worldwide. So that's one thing to consider there. So I did a little bit of research on Airtasker, and it has 4.1 stars out of 12,341 reviews, which is amazing. Airtasker is basically a legit platform, a legit company. So as you can see, it does reply to some of the queries that people have, and it has like a 93% reply rate to these queries or negative reviews or whatever you can call it. Most of these reviews, as I've said, they're positive. I'll say they do have maybe a few people that do have some issues, but it's basically rare. So, as I've mentioned earlier, this platform is basically limited to certain or specific countries. These include Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, Singapore, United Kingdom, United States. I think these are the regions that this platform serves. So, you'll be doing certain tasks. So, if you can look at this particular dashboard, you can see that there are a certain or specific tasks that have been done. One of them include pick up and deliver medium-sized fridge, King mattress pick up and delivery, sofa delivery, remove a list today, agent remove a list, help moving house. As you can see, these are the small tasks that you can complete on Airtasker, and they do pay, I would say, well, but no, of course, if you're in these states, maybe this might seem like a small amount of money, of course, based on the cost of living there and other things, but yeah, it is actually decent, a decent amount indeed. So if you do have some sort of a skill in doing these simple tasks, you can actually use this to earn some extra cash for yourself. So as I've mentioned before, this platform is basically good for freelancers, and you do have an opportunity to earn a lot, right? As you can see, some of the monthly earnings, I would say maybe, I don't know, maybe if this is the average that they've advertised here, that people can actually earn $13,000 per month, which I don't know, it's true, but yeah, that's what they claim here. I think some people can earn much. So you can actually also read like some articles. They have articles about different topics and so on. So you can actually visit their blog and read more about their offerings and other things as well. Now, what are the tasks or jobs that you'll be doing on Airtasker? Now, these have been grouped into categories, right? And there are actually many, from the A to C, including with the aircon repair, at home personal trainer, a barista, bicycle tire repair, a boxing instructions, a business planners, carpet laying, ceiling cleaners, and all those kind of things. So there are a lot and lot of small jobs that you can actually do here on Airtasker. So Airtasker basically offers you a bunch of features, right? They allow you to browse for job opportunities for free, so you don't have to pay anything. You simply register and you start looking for tasks to do. So I think it's kind of different than some other paid services out there where you need to pay a lot of money to have access to certain opportunities. But again, these ones they do it for free, and I think you do have to pay some sort of a commission or sometimes a fee for using the platform. Right? I think it's more like, I don't know, 5 or something like that. And you also have the ability to set your price, right? You charge your own custom prices for the services that you provide, which is actually good because it kind of gives you some sort of a control over your services. And once you complete the job, you get paid, right? And they've stated here that when you mark a task as complete, a request for payment is sent directly to the job poster so that they can release payment instantly. Now, of course, as a service provider, right, you are allowed to set up your own profile and furnish it with your details, your custom details. So this platform does offer an application that you can use on a smartphone, either on an iPhone or maybe an Android, right? You can just download this application on App Store and Google Store. So with this application, you are able to receive new notifications, but if there's a job, then they will notify you through the app. You're able to browse hundreds of tasks wherever you are, so there are no charges there, and you're able to message your customers privately within the application. So this is what they have stated here. In order to understand more about Airtasker, you can actually read more from their FAQs, right? You can find more information about this platform and its offerings on their FAQs. For example, one of the most asked questions is, what types of tasks are available on Airtasker? And according to what they've stated here, there is a huge range of tasks on Airtasker, from home maintenance tasks such as cleaning, gardening, and handyman tasks to office-based tasks such as admin, graphic design, web design tasks. So there are also a bunch of interesting tasks as well. For example, pet grooming, makeup artistry, tutoring, and cabinet making. So as you can see, it's not only maybe physical tasks that you'll be doing here, but there might be also other maybe remote tasks such as well. So maybe I overlooked that particular issue. How do I get paid? You can start working on the task and on that your payment for the task has been secured with Airtasker Pay from the customer. When you complete the task and request payment, the customer will be notified to release the task payment. This is then securely transferred to your nominated bank account. Airtasker automatically deducts a service fee when the payment is released to include variable, transactional, and insurance cost, and also ongoing maintenance costs to continuously improve and develop the Airtasker platform, maximizing your opportunity to earn more. So this is exactly what I said before, that they do take a fee like just any other platform that provide these kind of gigs, like Fiverr and so on. Now, in terms of withdrawing your funds, right, Airtasker does not support online payment processors like PayPal, Skrill, or so forth, and they also do not support direct bank transfers either. So you ought to have something like a Visa card, a MasterCard, and American Express. Those are the cards that they do accept. So you can actually read some more about Airtasker on their FAQs, as I've mentioned earlier. And you can also do the same for the reviews to kind of get some insights on how this platform basically looks like from the people that have actually worked for Airtasker. So guys, there isn't much I can say about Airtasker apart from the fact that I encourage anybody to do their own research before applying to see whether if this thing is actually worth their time. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.